Hello everyone, this is Philippidi from pantechelearning and I welcome you all for engage your learning experience with pantechelearning anytime, anywhere and any places. We are always supporting to the students in a technical way. What is our main mission? We are going to help 10 million students to learn the technical knowledge by the easy way. And I welcome you all day 10 of Artificial Intelligence Masterclass. Today we are going to discussing about how to create the AI virtual assistant by using the Python. Okay, so by using the NLP also we are going to use because of the AI virtual assistant based on the speech recognition. So that is the reason I am saying about this. So today we are going to cover how to build the personal AI virtual assistant. So that is very important because you can create your own assistant as well. Right, so how to create that? So that is very important, right? So without delay, I'm going to enter into today's session. Yeah, right. So today we are going to discussing about how to create the virtual assistant. Okay, so without delay, what is the introduction of virtual assistants? Already we knew this. Okay, we knew the example of the virtual assistant, AI virtual assistant. For example, Siri, Google, and Alexa, like that. This is the currently we are using in that particular virtual assistant, right? So most probably AI virtual assistant is nothing but digital assistant. So that means what? It is one of the application program that understand the human language or natural language voice commands, and it will be help to complete the task for the user. So that is the main concept of the virtual assistant. So what is the aim of, what is the objective of the virtual assistant in the sense? It is one of the application program that understand the natural language or human language voice command. Then it will be complete the task for the user. For example, if I say to the computer, open Google, in the sense automatically the Google page will be open. For example, play music, in the sense automatically the system will play the music. So this is nothing but a complete task for the user, right? So this is one of the most important application presently we are using in that one. Okay, so that is the interesting topic, and based on how it is works based on the speech recognition. Okay, right. So we all know about the what is virtual assistant. Already we knew the Siri and Alexa, Google Assistant. Most of the people who had an experience related to the Siri or Google or Alexa like that, right? So now I am going to enter what we are going to build. So that is very important here. So we are going to build our personal assistant. So that means maybe that open website we are going to create that. For example, if I say open Google, open YouTube, open Facebook, in this sense automatically it will be open. So we are going to write the program for that particular task of the AI virtual assistant. Okay, then email to the friend. So that can be also possible. That can be also possible to that. And open music. And one more thing that is very important, because so normally, so this particular AI virtual assistant tells us about the almost everything you ask. For example, if you are asking time, in this one, the virtual assistant will say the time to you. Okay, and maybe that greeting. So automatically, once you are going to run the code in this, and automatically that machine will give you a greetings. So it is normally nothing but, so we are going to interact to the machine with the help of the virtual assistant. How it can be possible? This with the help of the virtual assistant, it can be possible. Okay, for example, if I say open Google in this, automatically suddenly the page will be open. So that means what in the sense? Normally we can make the conversation to the one another person, right? So in the same way we can also interact to the system, that is help of NLP and also based on the AI virtual assistant. Okay, we can also create our personal task. Maybe that you want this particular thing, so open music, usually you are using that, and open photo like that, in the sense automatically this page will be open. That particular directory will go to enter that, and the particular folder will be open. So that is, we can create our own personal assistant. Okay, right. So next you can, so that's why I mentioned here, you can interact with your laptop microphone. You can interact with your laptop microphone or console. The response is generated by the assistant. the responses generated by the assistant, it will be displayed on the console or speech via the speaker. So for example, if you say like, time or open Google in the sense the screen will be open, the browser will be open. For example, play music in the sense the play will be, play music will be the open. And one more thing, if you say like timing in the sense, the particular, laptop speaker will say the time via the time. So speech via the time is one of the example for this. So we can create our own virtual assistant that can be possible. That can be possible. Okay, so that's why I mentioned here. You can interact with your laptop microphone console and also response generated by the assistant, and it will be displayed on the console or speech via the speaker. Okay, right. So what are the packages and modules we are going to use? Here, in a speech recognition, already we knew this. So what is the purpose of that? It will be help to converting the audio into the text. And PyText will be help to the, text into the audio. So that means it will say to the user and it will be receiving to the, from the user, and it will say to the user by the, speaker. And this will be receiving by the microphone. And date and time, so this will be helpful for accessing the current time, and also it will be helpful for say the time this and all. And SMT lib, okay, so this will be helpful for sending the mail to the friend. So that means we can accessing the mail server. And web browser, so this will be helpful for the open websites. Okay, so these are the packages we are going to use. Okay, so now without delay, I am going to entering to explain about the code. So if you guys are excited, means please follow this procedure and create your own virtual assistant. So are you ready? Yes, okay. Right. So without delay, I am going to open Ideally. Okay, Ideally. Just a minute, guys. Yeah, Ideally is open. Yeah. So just I created already. So I will explain about this. You can also create your own virtual assistant. Okay. Right. So go to this and yeah. So this is my folder and this is my file. Okay. Right. So now I am going to explain about this particular coding. This will be completely, for the personal virtual assistant. Okay. So what is our objective of this particular code? So we are going to create our own virtual assistant. That's it. Okay. How to do that? So here the speech recognition is very important and speaker out is very important. That means audio to the text conversion is very important. Text to the audio conversion is very important. And opening web pages in the sense web browser is important. Time will say that in the sense date and time packages is very important. And Wikipedia, opening in the sense Wikipedia also important. And you are going to accessing one particular, path on particular direction in your system means the OS is also very important for the play music also. Okay, so SMTP lib, so this will be helpful for the email to the friends. So that's this packages will be helpful for all the process. So this is for the this is for text to the audio converter. So this is for the audio to the text converter. So this is for the timing, and this is for the opening all the websites, and this is for the email to the friend, and this is for the accessing your laptop directory. Path, for example, E: or D:, like that. Okay, right. So now I am going to initialize this particular package PyText. So this will be helpful for audio text to the audio conversion, and voices set engine get property voices. Okay, right. So here the voices is 0 in the sense male and 1 in the sense female. Okay, right. So now I am going to create one particular function. So this will be helpful for text to the audio conversion. Text to the audio conversion. So this audio is created. This is the parameter. Okay. Now argument will pass in the future coding. Okay, right. So engine says the audio, that means this is the parameter. The argument will pass to the future code here. Okay, right. So already you knew about this, right? So already you knew about this. Yesterday we discussed about this. Now the wish me is very important. Once you are going to run this code in this will be very interesting actually, because the job is or a virtual assistant will say to you, good morning, good evening, and good afternoon. How? In the sense, depending on the hours time. So that is the reason I created one particular variable hours, and this is the this is the timing. So we need to taking as the integer type. So date time package dot date time function, then now. So this will be help to accessing the the current time. Okay, it will be accessing the current time. So that is the reason hour based time. Okay, for example, now the timing is 12:11, right? So 12:11. So it is going to accessing this time. So if the hour 0 to 12. So in between 12, this timing is a good morning. So the speak function will say good morning. So this is the parameter. So sorry, argument for this particular parameter. Clear now? Yeah. So after that, elif, okay, elif the hours between 12 to 6. 12 to 6 in the sense that is the good afternoon. After 6 is the good evening. So remaining time will be the good evening. So now the speak. So it starts from I am VA. VA is nothing but the virtual assistant. I am VA sir. Please tell me how may I help you. So initially it will be start like that. The AI virtual assistant tells us to greeting you. Okay, so definitely it will be greeting you depending on the timing. So that is the reason we can accessing the timing. Okay, so date and time package here. So date and time dot now in the sense it is going to accessing the current timing in a hour based. Okay, right. So we are creating the certain condition. So 0 to 12 that is a good morning, 12 to 6 that is a good afternoon, remaining time will be the good evening. Okay, right. So now take a comment. So this will be helpful for recognizing. That means receiving the audio by the microphone and converting the text. So that is nothing but the speech recognition. So here I created one particular variable and speech recognition dot this particular function. This will be help to receiving the user voice and converting that. Okay, so recognizer is very important, and so we need to create the source, the input source. So by using the microphone, so that is the reason I am going to accessing the microphone. We can get it from the speech recognition module. Okay, so dot microphone as an input source here. So this is the input source. Okay, right. So now it is receiving in the sense it is going to listen. Okay, so it is going to listen. R dot pass threshold in the sense it is nothing but holding the time. Then audio R dot listen. So this is going to listening the source, input source. Okay, listening the input source. After that, the query R dot recognize the Google this audio particularly. So this audio particularly because the user audio is receiving and listening what kind of the text is this, it will be converted. So that is the reason this will be help to converting the text. So this is listening and this is converting. Okay, query is converting. So for example, if I say Google in the sense, open Google in the sense, it will be converted to the text. Yeah. If I say open Google in the sense, it will be converted to the text. Okay. So this particular function, for example, this particular function will help to do that, to converting the audio into the text with the help of the listening. So here, this is the source accessing. So that is the reason we need to pass this particular variable to this particular function. Okay, right. So the user set, what user set? It will be displaying the text. So that is query here. Okay, right. So here I am using the try and except. Maybe that the particular microphone will not receiving any voice or audios in the sense. It will showing the error. So that is the reason we have to handle this. So that is the reason I am going to use the try and except here. Okay, right. Right. So this is the server accessing for the sending the email. So this is server accessing for the just a minute guys. So this is the server access for the what is that? This is the server access for the what is that? Email. Okay, email to the friend. So this will be helpful for that. Here you have to use, okay, here you have to use, send email. Okay, send email. So here, this is we are going to create one particular function here. So that means to and content. Okay, so this is the parameter. So this is the parameter. Send a server. Okay, server, and we can call it that. In a particular package. So this will be the server accessing. This will be like Gmail accessing. Okay, smtp.gmail.com. So this is a server code. Okay, right. So these are the login ID and login send mail from this particular mail ID. So this is login mail ID, and you have to mention here password. Okay, you have to mention here password. Okay, you have to mention here your password. So username and password. So this is going to access your mail ID. Then sending to the particular mail ID, maybe that your friend or your special one you are want to send some mail. In the sense, it will be helpful to do that. Okay, right. So and server dot send mail. So this is the from mail. Okay, this is from mail. You have to understand this login ID from mail, from this mail to another mail. Okay, to content. Okay. Then after that, we are going to create the certain function for the for the user. First, if the first one is wish me, okay, you can call that particular function. After that only it will be going to start. Okay, then I am going to create the while true, because of it is going to continuously run. Okay, that is the reason I am going to use here while loop. Okay, here query take the command dot lower. So take the command in the sense what this is the command. It will be help to receiving the user voices. That is nothing but the speech recognition. It will be help to converting the text audio into the text. So that is the reason the query will help. So query will help to audio into the text. Okay, right. So if Wikipedia in a query. So if I say Wikipedia, it will be in a query. That means it will be converted to the text. So once it is receiving that, in the sense, it will be searching and it will be say like a query dot replace the Wikipedia. Then result will be the according to the Wikipedia, it will be print the results. Okay, right. So after that, open YouTube in a query. So it will be converted the text now. So this is the voice. This is the text. Okay, right. So you can access the web browser dot open. It will you have to mention here the particular URL. Okay, website, name www.youtube.com, like that. Okay, right. So this is for the Google, the same procedure. So this is for the Stack Overflow. This is for the Facebook. This is for the completely based on the web browser package. After that, the play music, I am going to access in the particular location in my system. How to do that? The play music in a query. So that means if you say play music, in the sense, it will be converted to the text. Then you have to access in the music direction. You have to mention here. So that is in a equivalent. You can see this. Okay. Yes, equivalent. So here the play music. So just click and copy the path. And copy the path and paste here. Okay. So this is the music direction. Then I am going to assigning the value to this particular variable, that is songs. So OS dot list direction, it will be go to that particular direction. So this is the direction already we created here. Okay, right. Then print songs. After that, it is going to play, right? So it is not going to show the particular particular folder. You have to the system automatically have to play. So that is the reason start file. Okay, os.start file will help to play the music. So os.path.join the music direction, then song of 0. Okay, so this will be helpful for play the music. Then time. Okay, time in a query. If you say time, in the sense, it will be converted to the text. After that, the string timing. Okay, str timing is equal to date time dot date time dot now. So that means if you say time means it will be tell to you like current timing in a hour based, minute based, and second paste. Okay, for example, what's the time now? Yeah, 12:20, right? So 12 hours, 20 minutes, and 60 seconds or something like that. It will be saved. Okay, right. So this is the one of the function to accessing the this particular format. Okay, so that is the reason the strf timing. So that is the string format timing. So that is the reason it will be this function will help to do that. Okay, after that speak. So the time is current time will say the will say to the user. The machine will say to the user the current timing. After that open code, the same way you can accessing the code path. So I mentioned the code path. So this is my code path, just open, and yeah, my code path, yeah, this is my code path. Just I copy and paste here. This is the code path. If I say open code in the sense, it will be converted to the text, then it will be open. So just os.start file, that particular file will be the open. The particular directory and that particular folder will be open. After that, the photo file. So this is also the same location. So you have to paste here, and os.start file will be opening that particular file. Another thing, email to friend. Okay, just you say to the computer, you say to your virtual assistant, email to the friend, in the sense that will be converted to the text. Then here I am using the try and accept package. So this will be helpful for sorry, I am not send this mail. Maybe that's some error, in the sense it will be sent the mail. Sometimes you did not mention any try and accept. You did not using error handling, in the sense it will be getting error. So that is the reason. So here speak. Okay, so once you say email to friend, in the sense, suddenly it will be say what should I say? Okay, that is speak. Okay, right. Then content, take a comment. Okay, so that means you are saying the comments hello, how are you? Like that it will be receiving. This is the mail ID. So this is the one of the personal mail ID, that is official mail ID. Okay, right. So then email the content to that particular person, and email has been sent, it will be the reply. Okay, once I run this, you can understand easily. Okay, just a minute. I paste the just a minute, guys. I paste my password here, then only it will be working, right? So yeah. Yes, sir. Just a minute. Yes. Yes. Now I am going to run this code. Okay. Now I am going to run this code. We are going to say Wikipedia. So this is my personal virtual assistant. That is Wikipedia. Open YouTube. Open Google. Open Stack Overflow. Open Facebook. Play music. Timing and open code. Open photo. Then email to the friend. Now I am going to firstly accessing all the websites. Okay. So that will be also very interesting. Just I am going to run this.
Good afternoon. I am VA, sir. Please tell me, how may I help you?
Open Google. Open YouTube. Open Facebook. Open Stack Overflow. Open Stack Overflow. Open Stack Overflow. Yes. Now I opened all the websites, for example Google, open YouTube and Facebook and this will be the Stack Overflow. I created 4 websites, right? So this will be the open. Okay, next I am going to accessing the path. Okay, next I am going to accessing the different paths. For example, play music and open code, open photo. Okay, first open code and open photo I will done, then finally play music. So just I am going to run this.
Good afternoon. I am VA sir. Please tell me how may I help you?
Open code. Open photo. Yeah. Open code. Yes. Okay, you can see this, right? So you can see this particular photo and folder code, folder of code will be opened. Okay, right. You can see this. So this is the photo folder of me, and this will be the code. Okay, this will be the code. Okay, the code folder also opened. Okay, like this will be help to open all the folder. So as you wish, you can create. Okay, just a minute. Okay, already we accessed open code and open photo, right? Now I am going to accessing the play music. Now I am going to say to the my VA that will be open the play music. You can see this. Yeah. Just I am say play
Good
music.
afternoon. I am VA sir. Please tell me how may I help you?
Play music. Now it is going to play. Now it is going to play the music. Okay. So this is the way we can open the particular folder and play the music. You can create for yours. Okay, maybe that you know your folder, right? You can create for play music or play movie, like that you can play. So that can be possible, and open that particular folder or this folder or that folder, that can be possible, like follow this procedure for opening that particular folders. Okay, right. One more thing is reminding, that is email to friend. Okay, so now I am going to try it.
Good afternoon. I am VA sir. Please tell me how may I help you?
Email to friend. Email to friend.
What should I say?
Hello, how are you, Philip? Yeah.
Email has been sent.
Yeah. So email already sent. Okay, so email already sent. Now I am going to show that particular inbox mail. So yes, close this and open that particular mail. Yeah, just a minute. Yes, okay. So this is not a folder. So just a minute. I am going to open that particular. Yes, okay. You can see this now. The mail has been received. Has been received. You can see this. Hello, how are you, Phil? Okay. So like this only, it can be possible to send the mail to the friend. So that can be possible like that by using the accessing the email server, this and all. Okay. Just to follow this procedure, you can also create your own virtual assistant. That can be possible. and in anything is remaining, okay, we'll try it for the Wikipedia also here. So maybe that it will be getting some error, I think so. So I will try it.
Good afternoon. I am VA sir. Please tell me how may I help you?
Wikipedia.
Searching Wikipedia.
Yeah, it is getting error because of some, some settings errors will be happen. So that is the reason. Okay, so this is the way you can. Create your own virtual assistant that can be possible. Okay, so already I will show all the outputs. Okay, so I showed all the outputs. I think so. Yeah. So this is the way you can create your own virtual assistant that can be possible for you. Okay, so just try it yourself. Okay, right. So yeah. Hey, are you interested to learning about the artificial intelligence technology more? Are you interested in doing the internship on artificial intelligence technology? And this is the right time to do the artificial intelligence technology internship program. And this is a special opportunity only for the artificial intelligence masterclass participants. You can join as an internship user right now. So we are giving this special offer for you guys. So maybe you are asking the question to me about the quality. If I pay the money, what about the quality? For the quality assurance, I will assure you that because of the quality is very good. If you are paying the money, definitely you will be satisfied about this. Okay, so what is the benefit of this particular internship program? That is the most important thing, right? So that I will discuss with you. So in most commonly, you are expecting what are the concepts we are going to cover in this particular artificial intelligence internship program. So in this particular artificial intelligence internship program, we are going to cover all the artificial intelligence subset of technologies. For example, what is machine learning and what is the project, how to build a project in machine learning technology. What is NLP? How to build a project in NLP technology. What is the computer vision? How to build a project in computer vision and also with a deep learning. What is deep learning? How to build a project in deep learning technology. These all are the things I'm going to cover in this particular artificial intelligence internship program. You will be learn more about artificial intelligence technology, and I'm going to cover all the concepts in artificial intelligence technology. Okay, so you who all are interested to joining this particular internship program, in the sense, enroll right now. The link is mentioned in the description and also the link is mentioned in the comment box. So what is the benefit? 30 days live session is accessible for the participant and also the internship user. And recorded videos is accessible for the 90 days only for the internship user. And you can receive the hands-on experience for the building and also the developing a AI project, nearly the 10 plus projects you can receive, and you can receive the source code for that particular the project and also the reports and also the documentation for all the projects you can receive that. And 30 days of downloaded presentation you can receive that. If you are an internship user, means you can receive 30 days of downloaded presentation, you can receive that. And every Saturday I will be available only for the internship user. That is that completely related to the question and answer session in Zoom platform. So we are going to conduct the hackathon classes only for the internship user. If you have any queries related to which you learned before, I will answer for your queries definitely. And I will be available every Saturday for the hackathon classes who are joining this particular internship program. So that is completely related to the doubt clarification session and also the question and answer session as well. And so I will be always available. I will be support you in queries as well. Okay. And also you can reach the confirmation letter, which is get it from pantechelearning, certificate, which is get it from pantechelearning. These all are the the important, these all are the benefit of the internship user. And also the major importance is we are going to cover machine learning technology, deep learning technology, NLP technology, computer vision technology, and how to build a project in these all are the technologies in artificial intelligence technology. So these all are the concepts I am going to cover in this artificial intelligence internship program. If you are interested, to join immediately and enroll now immediately. So you are asking the question about the quality. Of course, the quality is very good for this much of money. Please to join the internship who all are interested to joining this artificial intelligence internship program. Please enroll right now. Okay, please enroll right now. So how to enroll this? How to enroll this? Normally we charge nearly 2000 rupees. Normally we charge nearly 2000 rupees.
But only for the the masterclass participants, we are giving nearly 800 rupees. So use the coupon code AIMC4. Use the coupon code AIMC4. The discounted fee will be nearly 800 rupees. The discounted fee will be nearly 800 rupees. So for this much of money, we are giving this much of content. So normally we spend the money for that packet menu. So for the entertainment as well, for learning purpose, you can also spend this much of money as well. The link is mentioned in the description. The link is mentioned in the command box as well. Please enroll right now. Please enroll right now who all are interested to join the internship on artificial intelligence technology. Normally, we charge nearly 2000 rupees. For the masterclass participants, we are giving nearly 800 rupees. So use the coupon code AIMC4. The discounted fee will be nearly 800 rupees. So what are the process I am going to discuss with you? So how to create a model and how to create the training and also the evaluation, the various machine learning model and weight prediction based on the height and also the gender, sentiment analysis using the NLP, AI virtual assistant using the Python, and also the lead disease detection using the deep learning, character recognition using the convolution neural network, fingerprint authentication, and also the number plate recognition, age and gender detection, brain tumor detection, face mask recognition, hand gesture detection, and emotion recognition through the facial expression. These all are the projects you can receive the hands-on experience in real time, and also the you can learn more about this particular project, how to create a model and how to train a model. These are all the things. Okay, so please do join immediately. This is a special offer only for the artificial intelligence masterclass participant. Enroll now. The link is mentioned in the description and also the link is mentioned in the command box. Please enroll right now and use the coupon code AIMC4. AIMC4 and you can receive the discounted fee will be nearly 800 rupees. Enroll now and learn more about the artificial intelligence technology. Okay, right.
So thank you so much. Okay, thank you so much. I hope this session is very interested. So this session very interested. I think so because of you enjoyed a lot. I think. Okay, right. So I hope also. So we'll see you in the next. Day and next class in a different topic. Okay, in a different topic. We'll see you. Bye bye and.